Welcome to the Swissnex Multimedia Lab for Journalists, a 2-week immersive program tailored for journalism professionals. This year we hosted 9 talented journalists from Switzerland's leading media organization. At Swissnex, our goal is to create and foster connections and professional relationships that continue to benefit and inspire our participants long after our program. This cohort was a great example of that spirit in action.
The trouble with AI at the moment is there's so much being created. It's very difficult to know what tools and what approach and the way to use that tools to really help you out. So it's just really helped to focus and sharpen my knowledge and my ideas of how to use AI.
We are working with AI, whether it's privately or in the workspace, and to see how the guidelines on AI can be applied in my workspace is really what drew me.
You can't stop technology, right? It's coming at you, and if you know how to use it, it will help you in the future, no matter where you're going.
Here I get to have some theory, I get hands-on, so everything is great. I'm moving forward in the way I can use AI.
If you're worried about how AI is or may continue to affect your job, I would say all of these technologies that are changing the way we work, the best solution is to try and domesticate, to try and adapt and use them because they are superpowers.
Besides obviously the huge AI topic, it's really also about learning from them and learning more about our own media industry, just thanks to this diversity here at Swissnex.
I would suggest them to have their mind clear before applying so that they can come here with something that they really want to get, want to achieve. This first will help them get through the selection process because a lot is left to you, a lot is left to your own initiative, so you need to have clear goals.
The most important thing I learned is that we can now use a lot of creativity and dare to have new projects than before were never ever possible.
It's a fantastic opportunity. It's a mix of a lot of things. The people are great. The city is amazing.
Thanks to the generous support of the Gebert Rüf Stiftung, the Multimedia Lab gave participants a unique launching pad for their projects. Through the Foundation's Innovation Fund, participants can apply for seed funding and receive ongoing support to further develop their work.